We have taken a first overview at this active alarm list, understood what it is doing. So let's maybe try to understand why cows are on this alarm list and what we can learn from it, because we will need this information to decide what to do with this alarm. Either to go here, take an action and actively prevent disease, or if we think this is not based on any rational findings, we may choose to ignore it. Let's take a look at this cow here. Fourth parity, so one of the older cows already, dried off beginning of February, expected to calve beginning of April. And if we click here on ketosis, we get this window. And this takes us to an overview of what happened to this cow. So we can see she has a quite high production expected, more than 40 kilograms per day. And this lactation curve here gives us a brief overview what this cow experienced. It strikes here that these yellow bars indicate a lot of heat stress events. 66 in total. She had 2 health events already and 8 group changes, which is quite a lot. Now, if we take a look here, inseminations 6 times, and she had a lactation length in the previous lactation of more than 500 days. So probably a high risk cow, probably also high in body condition, definitely makes sense to take action in this cow.